The Lost Kite and the Little Girl. It was a bright, sunny morning in a small town. Children were playing in the park, their laughter filling the air. Among them was a little girl named Emily. She had sparkling eyes and a smile that could warm anyone's heart. Emily loved flying her colorful kite. The kite had a big yellow star in the middle, and she called it Sunny. That day, the wind was perfect for flying, and Emily ran across the park with Sunny soaring high above her. As she was running, a sudden strong gust of wind pulled Sunny out of her hands. "Oh no!" Emily cried as the kite flew higher and higher. It drifted far away, disappearing behind a tall hill. Emily felt sad. "Sunny is gone," she whispered to herself. A kind boy named Liam saw her sitting alone. He walked up to her and asked, "Why are you sad?" "My kite flew away," Emily replied with a sigh. Liam thought for a moment and said, "Let's go find it." The wind must have taken it to the other side of the hill. Together, they climbed the hill, chatting and laughing along the way. When they reached the top, they saw a small forest below. They could hear birds chirping and leaves rustling. "There!" Liam pointed excitedly. Sunny was stuck in a tree branch, swaying gently in the wind. Emily's eyes lit up. "That's my kite. How can we get it down?" Liam smiled and said, "I have an idea." He found a long stick and carefully pushed Sunny off the branch. The kite floated back down to the ground. Emily hugged her kite tightly. "Thank you, Liam. You're a true friend." From that day on, Emily and Liam flew kites together. Sunny was no longer just a kite. It was a reminder that kindness and teamwork could bring happiness. Moral of the story: sometimes, a little kindness and teamwork can solve even the biggest problems.